What's up, guys? Today we're doing something insane. I'm going to teach you how to build a crypto mining rig using synchronized swimming. We've got GPUs. They're like the star performers of our team. We're talking RTX 3080S, guys. Absolute beasts. Then there's the motherboard. Think of it as the coach coordinating everything. Power supply? That's our energy drink keeping everything running. Setting this up is going to be wild. It's crazy how similar this is to perfecting a swim routine. Now that we've got our hardware ready, it's time for the software. This is where the real magic happens, guys. We're using Hive OS. It's like the choreography for our mining routine. You've got to fine-tune everything. The clock speeds, the power limits, memory timings, it's all about finding that perfect balance. And just like our swimmers need to be in sync, all our GPUs need to work together flawlessly. Trust me, when you get it right, it's a beautiful thing to watch. The LEDs on the rig syncing up with the swimmers' movements. It's like insane. Just like our swim team needs to stay in top shape, your mining rig needs regular maintenance. You've got to keep those components clean, check for any issues, and stay on top of updates. Joining a mining pool is like being part of a synchronized swimming team. You're all working together towards a common goal. We're using Ethermine for this rig. It's awesome. And just like how our swimmers are constantly monitoring their performance, you need to keep an eye on your rig's stats. It's insane how much difference a little tweak here and there can make. Wow, guys, we've gone from the pool to crypto profits using the power of synchronized swimming. If you thought this was crazy, just wait till you try it yourself. Don't forget to smash that like button if you're ready to dive into crypto mining. Hit subscribe and that notification bell to never miss out on our insane money-making tips. Let's go make some crypto magic happen. Remember, from dreamer to doer, it's time to put your dreams to the test and start making money now.